What is going on, guys? This is Yo here, back with you again with another video. And in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to address the issue of NovaClick buttons not appearing on your Bullx Neo trading terminal. As you can see right now on my own, there is no any of that quick button. And of course, if I click on any of these tokens right here, so as you can see, there isn't those quick buy and sell button that used to appear right here for the NovaClick. So which is what we are going to be addressing. That for the past few weeks, Bullx has actually been taking a lot of measures. As you can see, I've made over 2 videos. The first one, and of course we addressed the second one, and this is the third one. So this time around, it's not about a suspicious extension detected. Rather, they've managed to eliminate the buttons on their platform to literally not use it on their platform. So we are going to be addressing that in this particular video. So if that sounds something that you are interested in, be sure to actually subscribe to the channel, of course, to get any update as regard to these instances, and of course, so you can address that immediately. So that being said, let's actually move on with the video. So the first thing that you want to do is to locate your Chrome extension. So just click on the 3 dots at the top, and of course inside your Chrome web store, just search this extension called Temper Monkey. So Temper Monkey, as you can see, it has well over 11 million users, so you don't need to be afraid. So click on where it says add to Chrome right here. So I've already added mine, that is why it is saying remove from Chrome. So once you do that, it finishes, it will turn to remove from Chrome. So what you need to do is to click on here, the extension. So click on that. Once you click on that, you locate the Temper Monkey extension and click on the pin icon in order to for the extension to appear at the top. As you can see, this is it right here. So once you do that, the next thing that you want to do is to click on the extension itself, and of course click on here that says create new script. Create new script. So click on that. Once you click on that, the next thing that you want to do is to hover your mouse right here, and of course Control A to highlight everything, as you can see, and of course delete it. So this is the script right here, and of course if you want to get access to the script, it's actually very simple. There will be a first link in the video description of my Telegram channel. Join the Telegram channel, and of course you'll find the script right away. So that's actually that one, how to get the script. So let's copy the script. As you can see, I've copied it. So that's the same thing that you want to do. Then go back to your Temper Monkey, and of course here that says that, remember we've actually deleted the earlier script that we saw, and then you paste it. So what I want you to note is that you want to note this number from number 1 to number 96. So make sure you have that. Then once you do that, then click on here that says file, and of course click on save. So now once you've finished that, the next thing is to hover right here to click.trade on Novabot.io. So click on that, and of course click on connect. Once you click on connect, it will actually take you to your Telegram. Basically we are trying to connect our Telegram account to our NovaClick. So click on the open in the web. So as you can see, it will say launch NovaClick. So click on that, and of course it will bring you this link. Just click on that, and of course it will say something like successful after it has finished. Now boom, as you can see, it says you are now connected. So got it. So let's refresh the page and see. So voila, as you can see, now we have our buy buttons right here. We can switch it. We have our sell button, and of course if we click on the extension, we can also have the Nova panel right here, which we used to have. So this is it right here. So basically this is how easy it is for you to address this particular stuff. So if you have any questions along the line, which I believe you will not have because I've literally addressed everything, of course don't forget to like the video, share, and of course subscribe to the channel if you want to get updates like this in regard to a NovaClick and any other crypto project that we are into. So that's it from me. Thank you, and of course see you in the next video. Bye bye.